Let me just walk you through the basics of how you can make an Ender portal for yourself from the Minecraft. First of all, you just need to get a reference. You can launch your Minecraft and build an end portal for yourself, and you can check what the textures of the end portal block is, what's the texture of the Ender eye, and how's the portal gonna look when it's being activated. So let me just go through what yeah so you can see let me just turn off the array modifier. This is just a simple basic cube with some extrusions upon it to give it like the 3D high density look, and this is the texture. Let me just turn on the UV so you can see what textures I'm using. I am using the this texture for the top, and I'm also using another texture for the side, this texture right here for the side. I haven't used the texture for Ender Eye because I want to make it myself to look more 3D. You can see in the final result it looks a lot more detailed and like something mythical, better than what the Minecraft actually offers. And you can make this by simply spawning a cube and applying a subdiv on it, and then applying this subdiv and just deleting the below half. You can also scale it on z-axis and then apply a subdiv again to make it a little bit smooth. And for the Ender Eye shader, I am using here a glass shader with a mix of Fresnel, and you can see here that if I turn on this, let me just close this, you can control the amount of Fresnel your glass, it's like a reflection I wanted to give in because I didn't want the skybox to reflect on my glass. That's why I added it. And for the portal, if I play the animation, you can see how the portal moves from inside out, and you can use the wave modifier and subdiv modifier, and you can reduce its speed so that it moves very slowly. I have used in these nodes a Voronoi texture to give it that steady look, and the color ramp to make this kind of color. So this is really basic stuff. You can also add a little bit detail on the surface like I have added. This is if I just turn off this array modifier and you can go look for the object. This is just a simple plane which I have extruded and added 15 blue cuts on x-axis and y-axis, and then extrude them out. And this is using a simple Minecraft stone texture. Let me just show you. Here you go. This is the texture I'm using, and I just extruded some of its parts to make it look like 3D, and then I've used the array modifier to extend it on. You can do whatever you like. You shouldn't have to follow it because I think it's expensive for the rendering. I have to render it on 128 samples per cycle because I have a shitty GPU. So you can do it any way you like. Then you can add a camera animation which I have added. It's not a big deal. You can just set your camera, add some keyframes, starting keyframe, then go from it to end, and you can go to the graph editor to adjust your graph the way you like. I just wanted it this way. That's why I did it. I hope this tutorial helps you to build out your end portal in Blender. And if you're interested in my other portal video, I've already uploaded a few years ago. I know it's been a long video, but I think I'll be covering more videos related to Minecraft. So feel free to keep checking on me. I hope you like it. Thanks.